Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about the different materials that I use in my paintings. Recently, an artist friend of mine, Jess at Red Zen Studios, posted the question via Twitter, "What paints do you use?" Today I'm going to tell you about my paint, my brushes, and my paper. First we have the Winsor & Newton Lamp Black paint. Most people don't realize that I only use one color for my paintings. I use a technique called dry brush painting, and it's basically like drawing, only using oil paint. I have found that this is the absolute best way that I've been able to get all of the darkest darks and the lightest lights. The brushes that I use are nothing special. They are just a variety pack from Michaels, just to throw away. For my pencils, I have a Graph Gear 500 that I use for my initial drawings, and then I also have a Ebony Jet Black Extra Smooth. For my eraser, I do have a kneaded eraser as well as a Tough Stuff eraser stick. Those come in handy for me when I put a little too much paint down in areas I'm trying to keep light, and they also help me a lot with doing hair. I can get those highlights back in the hair after I put some paint down. And last but not least is a Canson watercolor paper that's 140 pounds. I have found that watercolor paper helps with soaking in the oils and helping me blend and get textures that I just wouldn't get on a normal paper or even canvas for that matter. I want to thank you all for watching today. Please be sure to like the video and comment below, and also subscribe so you can keep in touch and make sure to see all of the stuff that I have coming your way pretty soon.